Creating an online store with Weebly is simple and allows you to sell products directly from your website. Here's how to set up an online store. Sign up and log in. Go to weebly.com and sign up or log into your account. Create a new site. Click Create a new site and select a template. Choose a theme that suits an online store. Access the store section. In the website editor, click on the Store tab at the top of the page to begin building your online store. Add products. To add the product, click on Products in the left sidebar and select Add Product. For each product, add details like name, description, pricing, and upload product images. You can also add product variants and set shipping rules. Set up payments. In the store settings, go to the Payment section. Weebly allows you to integrate payment providers like Square, PayPal, or Stripe to accept payments. Configure shipping and taxes. Set up shipping rates and tax settings based on your location and products. Publish your store. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your online store live.